Jungkook sat in the stunned silence, his hand trembling. Namjoon, gently, you really messed it up. Jungkook, he himself was stunned by what just happened. Jungkook, desperately, I don't mean it like that. Young, I was overwhelmed. I needed advice. Tears fell from his eyes. Namjoon, then tell him that you can't let him think you don't love him. If you want to be with Young, you have to fight for him. Show him he matters to you. Jungkook. Jungkook buried his face in his hand, guilt eating away at him. It's not easy, Young. I don't know what will he do after this. What if he doesn't want me to see? Namjoon. Why would you think like that? Wasn't that you who just told me? He have changed it. Then why are you afraid? If he has changed it, he will not try to harm you. Because when a person loves us, they try to protect us with their everything, Jungkook. Jungkook was just looking at Namjoon with curious and hopeful eyes. You are not lying, Young. Namjoon. No, I am not. But tell me one thing. Do you think he has changed and now loves you? Jungkook. He tried to remember their past 12 months together now and for every minute and every second. Theong didn't leave a chance to show him how much he likes him, how much he means to Theong, how much he loves Jungkook, how much important he is in Theong's life. He never left a chance to show affection, love and care. Jungkook. I think yes, he has changed it and now it's time to really give him a chance to live better life together. Namjoon. He passes Jungkook a smile. That's like my boy. Namjoon patted his back. Go home and tell him you too love him. Confess to him. Don't let the chance slip. Jungkook. Thank you so much, Young. Namjoon encouragingly. He still have a chance to fix this. Go home and make things right. Jungkook arrived at home, his heart pounding as he entered their mansion. He found Deong sitting on the couch, bouncing their baby gently in his arms, trying to calm the infant's cries. Deong's face was tear-sticky, and the sight broke Jungkook's heart. Jungkook, softly, Deong glanced at him, his expression cold. What are you doing here? Shouldn't you be with Namjoon Young? Figuring out if you want to stay in this hard relationship, you sure want to be with Namjoon Young. Should I give you divorce papers, Jungkook? No lies, but whatever you want. I have promised you I will give you whatever you desire, Jungkook. He was blabbering non-stop. Jungkook felt bad for him. He walked closer to Theong. Theong, I know this will be hard for me, but before he could go further, Jungkook has grabbed his face while sitting beside him and attached their lips together, letting them linger there for some time. As he let Theong process, the kiss was warm and steady, lingering long enough for Theong to stop talking and simply feel it. Theong froze, his mind racing to catch up with the moment. By the time he processes what was happening, Jungkook tilted his head slightly, deepening the kiss, but keeping it tender. The world around them seemed to blur. The only sound of that registered was the faint rhythm of their breathing. As Jungkook kissed him softly, Theong melted into the moment, his body relaxing against Jungkook's. The baby cradled securely in Theong's lap, let out a few small noises before quieting completely, as if even their child sensed peace in their connection. Jungkook, pulling back slightly, his forehead resting against Theong's. You are more than enough day for me, forever baby, for this family. Theong, why did you do that when you don't even wanna be with me in reality? Jungkook flinches at the bitterness in Theong's voice, but didn't let it tender him. Jungkook, I went to see Namjoon because I needed advice. I have been feeling overwhelmed and I didn't want to burden you. I needed someone to help me sort out my thoughts. Theong looked at him, his arm tightening around the baby. Oh, so you think the solution is to talk to someone else instead of me to make me feel like I don't matter? Jungkook stepped closer, his voice trembling, hands gripping Taeyong's face. Jungkook, you matter more than anything, Taeyong. I just didn't know how to handle everything. The baby, our relationship, my own feelings. Never meant to make you feel like unloved. I love you so much. The baby's cries grew louder, breaking the tense silence. Jungkook reached out, gently taking the infant into his arms. He settled on the couch, pulling his shirt aside to feed the baby. The baby latched on, the cries fading into soft, contented noises. Taeyong watches his resolve crumbling as he saw the tenderness in Jungkook's action. Taeyong, softly, you really love us? Jungkook, looking up, eyes filled with sincerity. With all my heart, I'm sorry I made you doubt that. I will do whatever it takes to make it up to you. Taeyong's eyes filled with tears again, but this time they were tears of relief. He sat down beside Jungkook, resting his head on his shoulder as their baby fed peacefully. Taeyong, just don't ever shut me out again, okay? Jungkook, kissing his forehead, I promise. You and our baby are my everything. Taeyong, I just hope everything settles down someday and we live a better life. Jungkook, I wish that too. Oh, the baby is sleeping. He looked at Taeyong, who was looking down at his chest, which was visible for Taeyong. Jungkook gasped because the baby wasn't holding onto his slipper. Jungkook, you bastard, look away. He slapped on Taeyong's arm, who quickly averted his gaze away, feeling nervous, his mouth rolling. Jungkook, you horny ass, your mouth is dripping drool. What the hell? Jungkook got up with the baby, covering his revealed body part. Taeyong, I'm sorry. He wipes his mouth, gulping down the drool which was in his mouth. Jungkook, can't believe I just gave him a chance and he already started having unholy thoughts. Oh god, I just hate my life. Jungkook muttered while going upstairs with their baby. Taeyong, I said I'm sorry, I just can't help. He yelled from downstairs. Jungkook, shut up, you horny ass. You will wake the baby up. Taeyong placed the finger on his mouth, shutting himself. Jungkook went to his room, placing the baby in the crib. He found it when he remembered something. Jungkook, did he just brought my kid outside? That too in the crowded area? How dare he? His nose fuming in anger. He turned it back, gritting his teeth. He went out of the room. Jungkook, Kim Taeyong. Taeyong looked up, who was talking on the phone, finding his angry husband in the corridor, hands on the railing, looking down at him angrily. Taeyong, what happened, baby? He gulped when Jungkook started coming downstairs. Jungkook, Kim fucking Taeyong, how dare you? He grabbed Taeyong's collar. Taeyong, baby, what happened? Taeyong's hand went to grab Jungkook's. Jungkook, what happened? You are asking me this, Why were you following me at first? And second, why did you pour the kid out? Why? Jungkook asked with grating teeth. Taeyong, he started nervously. I don't know. Jungkook, you don't know? How dare you to lie? Jungkook shook him with collar. Taeyong, baby, calm down. What a big deal in this? Jungkook, yeah, right. What a big deal, You don't believe your husband, and that's what makes you to follow me, right, Kim Taeyong? Taeyong, he removed Jungkook's hand from his collar. It's nothing like that. I believe you, but I was just worried. You know, Jungkook, worried? What type of worried you were, man? Jungkook was about to grab his collar again when Taeyong placed a quick peck on his cheek. Taeyong, I'm sorry for that, love. Jungkook, for? He was too stunned, eyes wide. Why did you do that? He paused. Taeyong, because I love you. He again placed a peck on Jungkook, another cheek, making him all red. Jungkook, stop it. Jungkook shyly hissed on his chest. But wait, what about the kid? Taeyong, oh well, that's Thong scratches the back of his head, smiling weirdly. I'm sorry. Sorry, baby. I forgot that. I'm sorry. He leaned to give Jungkook a peck, but this time Jungkook wasn't going to listen to him. He placed a hand on Taeyong's lip, stopping him. Jungkook, buttering and kisses. Won't help you, Kim Taeyong. He crossed his hand over his chest, looking away. You shouldn't have taken him out. But baby, he is 3 months old now. He can go out. Plus, here was no one to look after him, and that's why I brought him out with me. Jungkook. Oh really? Jungkook looked at Taeyong with murderous look. Right, our house don't have maze, right? Taeyong. He knows the fucked of you. I am sorry, forgot that in a hurry. Jungkook. You know, Taeyong, it's been 3 months. You still don't know. There are chances to catch infection for babies out there. That's why I was scolding you. You need to learn more about all these things, Taeyong. Taeyong. He paused. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. He begged again Jungkook, rocking their bodies slightly. Jungkook. No, I will not forgive you. You will get punishment, Taeyong. Taeyong. He pulled away, now looking at Jungkook with puppy eyes. What? Please don't. Jungkook. He just smirked, pinching Taeyong's cheeks. Puppy eyes won't work here. I can't take the risk, our baby. You need to work hard, and from now on, you will be the one who will be changing the diapers. Taeyong. What? Taeyong's mouth went wide in shock. His shoulders slumped. No, please. He pretended to fall unconscious on the floor while sticking his tongue out, making Jungkook laugh. Jungkook, he crouches down, patting lightly on Taeyong's cheeks. And your work start from now on, or else no forgiveness? Taeyong, oh shit. He quickly got up and hurried toward his room. Jungkook, he laughed. He is cute. Sometime I should think of forgiving him. He goes on Taeyong's action. Jungkook was laughing comfortably on the couch, his leg crossed as he sipped on a warm cup of tea. Meanwhile, Taeyong was hunched over the changing table, his face contorted in a mix of concentration and horror as he wiped the baby's bottom. Taeyong, grumbling under his breath. How can such a tiny baby make such a big mess? This should be illegal. Jungkook watches the scene unfold with purely concealed amusement. Jungkook, teasing. Was taking so long? You have been at it for 10 minutes. Is the diaper winning the fight? Taeyong shot him a glare but said nothing, focusing instead on carefully securing a clean diaper on their squirming child. The baby giggled, seemingly enjoying Taeyong's struggle. Taeyong, muttering, even you are laughing at me, Just wait till you grow up. I will remind you of this day. Jungkook smirked, setting his tea on the coffee table. Jungkook, you missed a spot. Taeyong eyes widened in panic as he frantically shook the baby. Taeyong, Pure, what spot? Jungkook. Jungkook chocolate. There was a chocolate bar placed beside his cup, and he took some of it, finger leaning closer to Taeyong. Jungkook, here. Taeyong, what the? Taeyong checked what Jungkook did with his finger, and when he looked at the thing, it looked like a poo. His eyes were wide. Taeyong, ew, what the hell, Jungkook? What? Taeyong started bouncing like a baby bunny. His baby mama enjoying the show. Taeyong, hold on. He looked back at the color. It was dark like chocolate, but baby's first color was yellow. He understood. Jungkook. He glared at Jungkook. So does his baby, who stopped giggling, both looking at Jungkook. Jungkook, relax, I'm kidding. Taeyong let out a groan, picking up the baby and cradling him in his arms. Taeyong, you are enjoying this. Way too much, Jungkook. Stop screaming. Stop scaring the hell out of me. What if it's real poo? Jungkook, smiling mischievously. So what? You wanted to prove yourself, don't you? Then I'm just having my time teasing you. Taeyong, Taeyong sighed, walking over to the couch and sitting down beside Jungkook. Taeyong, then I am serious. Cook, I will do whatever it takes to show you how much sorry I am. I don't care if I have to change every diaper, wipe every mess, or stay up all night. Just please forgive me. Jungkook's expression softened as he reached out, gently brushing the stray strand of hair from Taeyong's face. Jungkook. He softly cupid Taeyong's cheeks. You are already forgiven, Tae. Taeyong's eyes widened in surprise. Taeyong, what? Then why didn't you say anything? Jungkook chuckled, leaning closer. Jungkook, because watching you work hard for it was too cute to stop. Taeyong's mouth fell open in disbelief, but before he could retort, Jungkook pressed a quick kiss on his cheek. Jungkook, grinning. You are a good husband, Tae, and an even better dad, but I am still going to make you handle the diapers for a while. Taeyong groaned, but his lips curled into a small smile as their baby coiled happily in his arms. Despite the teasing, he could feel the love and forgiveness in Jungkook's action, and that was all he needed. Taeyong, he bounced the baby in his arms. Look, Cook, Mama has forgiven me. Gosh, Mama is so sweet. Right, baby? Right? Jungkook, smiling, looking at him, thinking how much he has changed. From cold, rude husband to a sweet, caring, and a good father and a good husband. The journey was too long, and now Jungkook wanna forgive him. Now he knows Taeyong really regret it, so why not giving this relationship a chance instead of stretching the forgiveness long? Jungkook, anyway, I am going out today. Don't you dare to follow me. Jungkook pointed his finger while eyes stuck on him. Taeyong shook his head quickly. Taeyong, no, I will not. Thank you so much, Cook, for forgiving me, and I love you so much. He caught up and kissed Jungkook's lips, and his baby started crying. Jungkook, oh gosh, you scared him. Taeyong, what did I do? He is a devil. Won't let me kiss my husband. Jungkook, stop scaring him, Tae. He looked at the baby back from Taeyong. Taeyong, give him to me. He snatched the baby, making him frown, and stood on the place, shockingly, while Taeyong kisses his baby all over his face, while making him giggle and walked toward their backyard with baby. Taeyong, come before 10, baby, and don't get hurt. Be safe. Taeyong walked out, leaving Jungkook blushing mess behind. The living room was buzzing with laughter and chatter. Taeyong's parents, Jungkook's parents, and a few extended family members were all gathered for a long overdue family gathering. The warm scent of freshly cooked food wafted through the house as everyone exchanged stories and quailed over the newest addition to the family, a naughty little 9-month-old who had everyone wrapped around his tiny finger. Jungkook sat on the couch, his arm loosely wrapped around Taeyong's waist. As they shared the same space, the baby, perched in Taeyong's lap, was having the time of his life, tugging on Taeyong's hair with his chubby little hands. Taeyong, groaning, can someone please tell him my hair isn't a chew toy or a rope? The room burst into laughter as the baby giggled gleefully, clearly enjoying his dad's reaction. Jungkook's mom, smiling fondly. Oh, stop complaining, Tae. He just loves you. Isn't that right, little one? The baby blabbered in response, his hands still tugging in Taeyong's ear. Jungkook teasingly, you should be honored, Tae. He could have gone for my hair, but he chose you. That's true love. Taeyong, pouting, I would rather he show his love by not giving me bars for. Jungkook chuckled, gently putting the baby's hand away from Taeyong's hair and placing a soft kiss on the baby's forehead. Jungkook, alright, little troublemaker, let's give Appa a break. Jungkook's dad clapped his hand, his voice warming with joy. Jungkook said, "Look at them, such a beautiful family." Always knew Jungkook would make a great mom, but seeing it in person is something else. Taeyong's mom nodding. And Taeyong has become such a responsible husband and father. We are so proud of you, sweetheart. Taeyong flushed under the embrace, his hands resting on Jungkook's thighs for support. Taeyong shyly, "I just try to keep up." Jungkook's the real star. Jungkook grinning. "Don't sell yourself short, Tae. You are the glue that hold this family together." The couple's parents exchanged knowing smiles, clearly delighted by the love and respect their sons shared. Later in the evening, while everyone was enjoying dessert, the baby decided to show off his naughtiness once more. Crawling across the floor, he made a billing for Taeyong, pulling himself up, using Taeyong's pant as leverage. Taeyong laughing. "Oh no, here we go again. Jungkook, he's coming to me." Jungkook leaned back in his chair, arms crossed, clearly enjoying the show. Jungkook teasingly, "Haha, Taeyong, that's my boy. He is taking my revenge." The baby reached up, his tiny hands grabbing Taeyong's shirt as he blabbered insistently. Taeyong stared, grinning. He knows who to go for attention, that's for sure. Taeyong picked up the baby, holding him close, despite her earlier complaints. Softly, all right, you win, little one. What do you want now, More hair pulling?" The baby responded with a loud squeal, planting a wet, sloppy kiss on Taeyong's cheek, which made everyone in the room burst out laughing. Jungkook smirking. "Looks like he is got your charm, Tae." As the family continued to laugh and chat, Jungkook reached over, intertwining his finger with Taeyong. Jungkook whispering, "You are doing great, you know, as a dad and as my husband." Taeyong smiles, leaning into Jungkook's side as Taeyong, "You know I love you so much." The following week, Taeyong has something big planned. After the weaving of misunderstanding, forgiveness, and growth in their relationship, he realized that while they were already married, he wanted to make it official in a way that symbolized their love, not an arrangement made by their parents, a choice they both made for their hearts. He spent the entire week greatly planning for the proposal, one that would include not just him and Jungkook but also their precious baby. The evening sky was painted in shades of orange and pink. As the sun began to set, Taeyong had transferred their rooftop into a romantic heaven. Twinkling fairy lights hung overhead, soft music played in the background, and a cozy table for two was set up with candles flickering in the gentle breeze. Jungkook arrived home from outing, exhausted but curious when he found a note taped on the door. The note: "Come upstairs, Cook. There's something I want to show you." Bring the baby along. Jungkook frowned in confusion but picking the baby up, who was happily chewing on his teething ring, and made him way to the rooftop. As he opened the door, his eyes widened at the sight before him. Jungkook, surprised. "They was all this?" Taeyong stood in the middle of the rooftop, wearing a suit but with his tie slightly loose, a mix of formal and casual that was so very tame. He held a small velvet box in his hand, his smile a mix of nervous and excitement. Softly, "Just wait, Cook." Jungkook walked closer, his baby resting on his hip. As Taeyong took a deep breath, dropped to one knee. Taeyong, "Jungkook, I know we are already married, but back then it wasn't our choice. It was what everyone else wanted for us. And for a while, I thought maybe it wouldn't work. I made a mistake. I hurt you, but you stayed and you forgive me. And every single day, you have shown me what love really is. Not for just me, but for our baby, for this family. we have built. Thong, I know I believe on myself that I will never make that mistake again. I can never hurt you because I truly regret that. What I did in the past, I was a total jerk, not knowing how much you loved me. I hurt you and I regret it with my every core of my body. Now, when I think about it, I want to give you a better future with our baby. I want to show you how much I have fallen for you and how much I love you more than those scars I have given you. I know, forgiven them a little hard, but believe me, love, I will make you forget all those painful memories that you will only remember our present because this Kim Taeyong loves you. Kim Jungkook, please marry me again. Jungkook's eyes filled with tears as Taeyong opened a box, revealing a simple but elegant ring, smiling through his own tears. So now I am asking you to marry me again. Not because our parents want it, but because I want it. Because I love you, Jungkook, and I want to spend the rest of my life proving it to you. Jungkook stares at him, his heart full as he looked at Taeyong and then at their baby, who reached out a tiny hand toward the ring. Jungkook was trembling. They, you didn't have to do all this. Nodding, I know, but I wanted to. So, will you marry me again, Jungkook? Jungkook handed the baby to Taeyong for a moment, then leaned down, pulling Taeyong onto a tight hug. Jungkook, whispering in his ear, yes, 1,000 times. Taeyong laughed softly, slipping the ring into Jungkook's finger before standing up. The baby squealing in excitement, clapping his little hands as if he understood what had just happened. Jungkook pulled Taeyong into a deep kiss, the love and happiness radiating under the glow of the light. Jungkook, smiling through his tears. You are such a sap. You know that? Taeyong, grinning, only for you. As they stood there, holding each other and their baby, the world around them seemed to fade away. It wasn't just a proposal, it was a promise of love and a future they would build together. Taeyong walked with the restaurant with Jungkook, their baby snug in their stroller, and immediately spotted Namjoon at the table near the window. Jungkook waved enthusiastically, his eyes lightening up as they approached. Jungkook, Young, it's been so long. Namjoon stood to greet them, giving Jungkook a warm hug before nodding politely at Taeyong. Namjoon, it has. Thanks for meeting me here. Taeyong felt an uncomfortable pang in his chest as Jungkook and Namjoon started chanting away as thought he wasn't even there. Namjoon didn't even glance at the baby, who was babbling happily in his stroller. Taeyong, grumbling to himself, sure, let's just pretend I'm invisible. Before he could stir further, Namjoon gestured toward someone approaching their table. Namjoon, oh, by the way, I brought someone with me. Hope that's okay? Taeyong eyes widened at a familiar face approached. Namjoon, this is Seokjin Young, my date. Seokjin, beaming. Hey, Taeyong, long time no see. Taeyong, sighing in relief. Oh, thank God. I thought it was just me who had to endure this awkwardness. Seokjin laughed as he sat down beside Namjoon, leaning slightly toward him with a playful smirk. Seokjin, trust me, Tae. I know how these two kids, when they are together, it's like we don't exist. And just like that, Taeyong and Seokjin found themselves on the sideline. Jungkook and Namjoon were deep in conversation, laughing and reminiscing about old times while completely ignoring their respective parents. Partners. Seokjin leaned toward Taeyong, his voice low. Seokjin whispering, we can't just let them go away with this. Let's do something to shake things up. Taeyong, smirking. I like the way you think. What do you have in mind? The two quickly hatched a plan, and within minutes they both stood up. Taeyong, clearing his throat dramatically. You know what, Jinyoung? Let's leave them to their bromance. We will go grab a table for actual lunch. Jungkook finally looked up, his smile fluttering when he saw Taeyong picking up the baby stroller. Jungkook, frowning, Dave, where are you going? Taeyong, raising an eyebrow. Oh, don't mind us. You seem to be having such a great time with Namjoon Young. We wouldn't want to interrupt. Namjoon blinked in confusion, glancing between Seokshin and Taeyong. Namjoon, hesitant. Wait, Jin, are you upset? Seokshin crossed his hand. Upset? Why would I upset? You have only ignored me for past half an hour. But it's fine. Namjoon, Jungkook exchanged a guilty look. But before they could say anything, Taeyong and Seokshin had already found another table nearby. As Taeyong and Seokshin enjoyed their lunch, laughing and chatting loudly enough for Jungkook and Namjoon to overhear. The two men at the original table grew increasingly uneasy. Jungkook muttering, Do you think they are mad? Namjoon sighing, Oh, they are definitely mad. Jungkook stood up, tugging Namjoon along with him as they approached Taeyong and Seokshin table. Jungkook, sheepishly, They, come on, don't be like this. Taeyong, pretending to be busy with the baby. Like what? We are just enjoying our lunch. You and Namjoon seem to be having a great time, so we don't mind to run it. Namjoon scratches the back of his neck, looking at Seokshin apologetically. Namjoon, Jin, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to ignore you. You know how I get when I catch up with Jungkook? Seokshin, Oh, I know. I just don't have to like it. Jungkook crouches beside Taeyong, taking his hand in his. Jungkook, I am sorry. I got carried away. You are the most important person to me, okay? Please don't stay mad. Taeyong glared at Seokshin, who gave him a subtle nod. Finally, Taeyong sighed, letting his shoulder relax. Taeyong, softly, Fine. But next time, remember, we are here too. Alright? Jungkook, smiling, tail. Namjoon leaned towards Seokshin, taking him his hand as well. Namjoon, I promise I will make it up to you. Jin, dinner warming tonight? Seokshin, craning. You are lucky you are cute, Juni. The group finished their lunch together, the tension replaced by laughter and warmth. Their baby, as if sensing the restored harmony, clapping his tiny hand, drawing coos and cheers from everyone at the table. As they left the restaurant, Jungkook slipped an arm around Taeyong's waist, pressed a kiss on his temple. Jungkook whispering, Thanks for putting up with me. Taeyong smiling, Always cook. Just don't make me team up with Seokshin again. He's too good at scheming. Jungkook laughed, pulling Taeyong closer by his collar, colliding their lips together, kissing him then and there. Jungkook, Never. He shyly pulled away. Taeyong, I see you are getting brave, love. Let's make you more brave. This time, he crushed his lips on Jungkook's.